Welcome back to Hyderabadi PAKWAAN. Today I'm going to teach you delicious restaurant style butter chicken made right at home with simple ingredients. Let's get started. 1 kg of chicken, add the grinded paste of 2 medium sized onion and 3 medium sized tomatoes. Handful of cashews grind into fine paste. 1 cube of butter. 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. 2 dried red chilies. 4 tablespoons of beaten yogurt. Combine all the ingredients well and add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, quarter tablespoon of red food color. This step is completely optional, but in all restaurants where butter chicken is cooked, food colors are commonly used. Let it sit for 30 minutes. The yogurt, ginger and garlic paste really helps to make the chicken more tender and flavorful. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste. Cook on high flame for 15 minutes. Cook the chicken until it's done. Keep stirring in between to avoid the masala getting stick to the bottom. Add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and 1 tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi. It's all about the masala when it comes to authentic butter chicken, so cook the masala really well. Add 4 to 5 green chilies, handful of coriander and curry leaves. Cover the lid and cook on a low flame for 2 minutes or until the oil separates. Now add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Combine everything well and add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Cover the lid and cook for 2 more minutes. Your butter chicken is ready to serve. This is a classic chicken dish and enjoyed best when served hot. Also garnish it with cream, coriander leaves and butter just before serving. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Hyderabadi PAKWAAN. Thank you.